Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Earth Song. I am Earth Song. And this is my video for the full moon, blood moon, super moon, lunar eclipse. Beautiful night for manifesting. And a beautiful night for calling on all light workers, all star children, all the people who refuse to be sheep. You know who you are. You know that you've always known something is coming, and that you're not wrong in that thinking, and you're not crazy. No, you're not crazy at all. You felt it in your bones. And it's time. It's time to wake up. It's time for you to wake up. It's time for you to learn how to use all of your beautiful gifts that God gave you. It's time for you to start actually manifesting the life that you want and the life that we all want on this whole planet. It's time. It's time to awaken the masses. It's time to call all starseeds. It's time to call home the collective. Wake up. I implore you to wake up. I encourage you to gain your own strength within you to move forward with faith and no fear. Find my contact information, my email, my Facebook group. Join me. I will teach you. We all have a mission. Mine begins with waking you up. I was told that now is the time. You may be experiencing strange things lately. Visions that you didn't normally have before. Astral projection in your waking life. Seeing other dimensions. Experiencing spirits all around you. Blipping in and out of the corner of your eye. Right in front of your face. Perhaps your psychic intuitions are becoming stronger and you suddenly know something right before it happens. Yes. Yes. That's you waking up. Do you want to learn how to control it? Do you want to know how to manifest it for your own higher good and that of the whole planet? Do you want to embark on a journey with me to save the world? No pressure. It's time to come back home to your soul tribe. It's time to remember who you are. And it's time to go to work. Wake up. Wake up. I'm calling you. Can you hear me? Can you feel it? Is it resonating with you? Is it in your body, not just your ears? I'm talking to you. My soul family. You know who you are. There is no fear in this learning. There is no danger in this learning. Only bliss and beautifulness. True story. You can look at me as your mother, your sister, your daughter, your best friend, your guide, or your mentor. I am all of that and more. I am Earth Song, and I am here to wake you up and to teach you to remember who you are. You have a slight knowing. You always have. It's time to move forward without pain, to move forward without fear, to move forward without struggle and conflict. Because I'm going to teach you how to control your 6 degrees and manifest for your highest good and love yourself. And I'm going to teach you how to spread that into the world and teach others and raise their vibration. Wake up. We have exciting things ahead of us and a lot of work to do, and really not a lot of time to do it, but you are up to the task. So again, no pressure. You've got this. I've got this. We've got this. You know why? Because we are who we've been waiting for. God sent an army, and he said it's time to unite. It's finally time. And I am so excited to go on this journey with you. And I am so excited to tell you that we will see the fruits of our labor in our lifetime. I pinky promise it. Find me, email me, go to my Facebook group, our song Spiritual Lovecraft, our song 747 at gmail.com. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be teaching in many avenues, on many platforms. But we're going to do it personally, individually, and in groups. Because you need to see each other. You need to know each other. You need to realize each other so that you can realize this is not a dream. This is not a dream. Wake up. Wake up. I look forward to hearing from you. I give you my blessings. I hope nothing but the best for all of you. Even if you're not ready to wake up, that's okay. We've got your back. Activate. Simply say, I'm ready. Tell God. Tell the universe. Tell the archangels. They're always there. Tell your spirit guides. Tell the eagle. Tell the hawk. Tell the crow. I'm ready. Your message will be received. It's time to activate. I will see you soon. Welcome home. Welcome home. Remember, we are who we've been waiting for. You volunteered for this, and we've got this.